You know, it's hard for me to walk away after all these years. But girl, I'm tired.